Hey designers! Ever wondered how to make a design system truly yours? Today I'll show you exactly how to customize one for your brand, from colors to components using gluestack UI v2. We'll transform it for an Indian street food delivery app. And trust me, by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to bend any design system to your will while keeping it consistent and systematic. Let's dive in. First, head to the Figma community and search for gluestack UI v2. Once you've duplicated the file, we'll start by giving it a new name. Time to explore what's included in the community file. For a comprehensive overview of the gluestack UI v2 design kit, check out our detailed video guide linked below. Next, we'll create an additional page for project mood board and branding. Here's what we have: a mood board, primary and secondary colors, and typography. With these elements in place, we can begin customizing the design system. We will start with changing the primary colors from the local variables on the right panel. We will start with changing primary 500. For lighter shades, we need to copy the same color and reduce the value of hue and saturation by 10, and for darker shades, increase by 10. We have a detailed blog about creating and editing color palettes in our website. You'll find the link in the description. Now doing the same for the secondary color as well. While other color tokens can be modified, this project only requires changes to primary and secondary colors. Moving on to typography styles, we're working with Inter for body text and Satoshi for headings. Starting with text normal, we'll adjust the font properties. While we're keeping other properties unchanged, remember these can be customized to your needs. We'll quickly apply these changes across all text styles relevant to this project. Perfect! All text tokens now align with our project style. Switching to the primitive components page, it's time for component level modifications. The button component is our first stop. Notice how our earlier color and typography changes are already reflected here. So for this project, we are using pilled buttons. We'll adjust the corner radius to full. This change needs to be applied across all sizes and variants of our button types. With our colors, typography, and components now customized for the project, it's time to create a product card for our food delivery app. We'll begin with the title linking the text to semi-bold 16 pixels. For the shop rating, we'll link the text to normal 12 pixels. Time to add a star icon alongside the text. For that, let's add another icon library here and search for star icon. We'll adjust its size and switch it to filled style. Adding an auto layout with 2 pixels of padding comes next. For colors, we'll select secondary 200 from our palette for the background, and secondary 500 for the icon itself. Using the right panel, we'll round the frame's corners. The icon and text need to be wrapped in an auto layout. Moving on to the delivery time display, we'll maintain the normal 12-pixel style. Important to note, all text needs to be linked to our typography color palette. Both rating and delivery time should be contained in an auto layout with 8-pixel spacing. Wrapping this with the card title requires a 4-pixel spacing. To better distinguish between rating and delivery time, we'll incorporate the divider component, setting it to fill container horizontally. For the card's image section, we'll create a frame and insert an image. After adjusting the frame's dimensions, we'll combine the title, description, and image in an auto layout with 8-pixel spacing. A wishlist icon comes next. We'll modify its size and set the heart icon to fill style. The icon needs an auto layout wrapper with 4-pixel padding all around. From our primary color palette, we'll apply primary 200 to the background and primary 500 for the heart icon. Now let's round the corners of the button by changing the border radius to full. Now we'll wrap the title frame together with the wishlist icon in an auto layout. The image requires a 6-pixel border radius. Making final adjustments to the card's dimensions, we'll apply 12 pixel padding both vertically and horizontally. The finishing touches include a background zero fill, 12 pixel corner rounding, and a hard shadow 5 effect, and not to forget a border stroke of border 50. There you have it, a product card made using the gluestack design system according to your brand guidelines. Time to publish all our customizations. Navigate to the library icon in the left panel and select the Publish button next to the library name. You'll see a preview list displaying all your modifications. With one click of the Publish button, these changes are now pushed internally, making the file accessible for any project across your team. Quick heads up, publishing internally means your file won't automatically receive community updates. To demonstrate this, we'll open a new file. Head to the left panel and locate your saved library. Once you spot your library, click the Add to File button. The library is now integrated, and you'll find all components readily available in the left panel. There you have it! From customizing foundations to building components, you now know how to transform a design system to match your brand perfectly. Check out our other video on the gluestack UI YouTube channel and visit our website to check out interesting blogs. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next one!